Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install CoWriter, and I can show you how to install the extension and the Chrome app. Um, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to our Kickstarting the Writer Inside our Round Rock ISD CoWriter website, and over here you can click on the Universal Chrome extension. So you can come here, it's going to take you to the page that has the CoWriter Universal extension. Click Add to Chrome. Okay, once it's been installed, you'll see the little thinking cloud pop up over here in your extension bar. To turn on the extension, you're going to click on it and then slide the slider over. The very first time you log in, it'll probably have you sign in. I've already signed in before, so I'm going to go ahead and sign out just to demonstrate that. So sign in. You're going to sign in with Google. Everybody in Round Rock ISD has access to CoWriter using their Round Rock ISD Google account. That means that students can use this at home too. Okay, so now I'm signed in and the little think bubble has turned a different color. So that means that the extension is on. You'll also want to make sure before you actually install the extension that you're logged into Chrome. So if you come over here, I see that it actually has a student's name here, not just a little silhouette of a person. So please make sure that you are actually logged into your Chrome account when you install CoWriter, the extension and the app. The next thing we want to do is right click and choose Manage Extensions. And we're going to come over here and turn on the Allow Access for File URLs. And that'll just help it work a little bit better. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to close it. You'll notice that when you make any changes that the extension gets turned off again. So you'll want to come to the page that you want to use it on, turn it on again. And if you still don't see anything changing, like I don't see the little CoWriter bubble, sometimes you need to refresh your page with the extension on to allow for that CoWriter bubble to appear. And there we go. Now, to install the app, you can come back over to our site and you can click on the Chrome app. And essentially the app is the same tool, it's just in its own kind of contained environment. So for STAR, they're going to actually use the app. So you log in again with Google. Okay. So now we're logged into the CoWriter app. And so it does look a little bit different, but you kind of have your own little storage space for CoWriter documents. So I have one right here, and I can go over and click. Here we go. So CoWriter works the exact same way in the app. And then there's also the Apple iOS app, and it'll look really similar to the Chrome